best dating app for free. So if you want a best dating app for free, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can just go with your Play Store. And after opening your Play Store, you can go with search. And here you can search for iHappy. So iHappy is a dating and a chat app. You can find real dates with this application, and you can chat with those who liked you. You'll get a match. You can check your guests every day. You can discover singles nearby. You can chat with someone new, and you can match, chat, and date. So if you want to know more about the application, then you can go with about this app and tap on the right arrow. And here you will have all of the information about the application. If you scroll down, then you will have more app info like the version, updated downloads, the download size, required OS, and everything. And it's also easy to install, and it also has a good reviews. You can just simply tap on install, and within a few seconds or a few minutes, the application will be installed, and you'll be able to use the application and chat with your friends or date. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.